LOL o Love on the Line. Makakasama ni Bossing sa movie ang Thai VJ and commercial model na si Paula Taylor.
Bossing, pang ilang days na po ba ang shot?
Siguro mga more than 10. Halos araw-araw kami nagsushoot eh.
Kamusta naman po yung first day niya dito nang magkita kayo? Excited po sa trabaho?
Parang fresh na katrabaho. She's a natural actress. Sanay na siya sa shooting, sa taping. She's a professional. It's a good combination of cast. And I believe we have a good story. It's really funny. Laugh out loud yung mga manonood.
As they say, there's time for everything. Pero mukhang busy rin kasi itong si Bossing sa ngayon with his upcoming movie with international star Paula Taylor, no less.
Bossing, I think he's a very friendly, very charming, a gentleman. He's very nice.
Swak naman siya doon sa role. Kasi we needed a foreigner na makaka-chat online, makaka-eyeball ni Jose. Ang comedy na love story, as the title suggests, LOL, it's love online, pero laugh out loud yung pelikula.